Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica if you are new here. Today I'm excited because I'm participating in the Autumn Soup Collab 2019. Today is officially the first day of autumn, although it doesn't feel like that where I live right now. It's currently in the 90s. So today's collab is hosted by Kat. Her channel is called Southern Farm and Kitchen, and she does a ton of recipes and cooking videos. So if you're looking for some new inspiration in the kitchen, make sure to check out her channel because she's amazing and I love her personality. She's just so sweet. She loves to bring people together. She's just a people person and I think it really shows in her videos. So make sure to check out her channel as well as the playlist, which I will also link in my description box, of all the other women that are participating in this. Everybody that's participating has like really great cooking videos. So you don't want to miss this. If you're looking for some great autumn soups this autumn, this is a place to come to. So I have in the past posted videos of some of my favorite soups. So when I was doing this collab, I wanted to find something I haven't already posted. So this is a recipe that I have made just a couple times, but if you've watched my cooking videos long enough, you know I love Mexican food. So this is called chicken enchilada soup. And it's delicious. And I love it because you actually add enchilada sauce to it, which makes it taste like enchiladas. I will put the recipe down in the description box as well, so you will have all the ingredients and a step-by-step how-to. But I hope that you enjoy watching this video. This is super easy and super quick. Okay, so these are the ingredients. You're going to need some chicken broth. You're going to need 2 cans of black beans. I love these reduced sodium. A can of fire roasted diced tomatoes, and I just got the Hunt's garlic flavor. A can of corn. 1 can of enchilada sauce, and I like the mild. Some garlic, either minced or some fresh garlic cloves. Some ground cumin. I used a half an onion, but you could use as much as you want. And a can of green chilies. And then you're also going to need 2 chicken breasts. I put these in the crock pot a couple hours before this, frozen. I like to cook my chicken and then like drain off the juices and stuff. That's just a personal preference. So I kind of almost cooked them through, but not totally. So that's why they were already in there, but you can just throw this all in with raw chicken and it will all cook together. So now I'm just dicing up half of an onion. I probably should have diced it a little bit smaller than I did this time, but that's just personal preference, however much you want and however finely diced you like your onion to be. So now I'm going to drain and rinse my 2 cans of black beans. Apparently you're supposed to always drain your black beans. I didn't realize that for years, but I started doing it. So I just put them in a colander in my sink and then drain them really good, and then I can just pour my can of corn over the top of this and let it drain also, and it's just easier that way. Okay, now the easy part, you literally just dump everything into your crock pot. So there's my black beans and corn and my tomatoes, and you do not want to drain your tomatoes. And then enchilada sauce, which is the secret delicious ingredient, I think. The green chilies, the onions. I used about 2 heaping teaspoons of garlic, but that's to taste as much as you want or as little. And I think I used about a teaspoon of cumin. You definitely don't want to omit the cumin. It gives it such a good Mexican flavor. And then you're going to use 2 cups of chicken broth. I usually use bouillon cubes and water, but I found these low sodium boxes, and I just decided that this would be easier and probably better for me. Now you're going to stir this all together. Obviously you would probably put your chicken in after you stir it, but mine was already in the crock pot, so it worked out fine. But you could just mix it together and then put your raw chicken breasts tucked into the juices, and then they would all cook together at the same time. Okay, so I let that cook on low for about 4 hours, and oh my word, my house smells so delicious. Everything is softened, all the onions are translucent, and the chicken is fully cooked now. So I am just going to take my chicken out and shred it. And I will say that this was probably too much chicken for this. It called for 2 chicken breasts, but I really could have gotten away with 1. It's totally up to you if you want to use 2 or 1. I don't usually use this much meat when I make a meal, but that's just up to you. I think it's a great recipe because you can add or take away however you want, but the flavor is so good in this and it is so easy. You definitely want to try this, especially if you like Mexican food. So then I just added my shredded chicken back and it is ready to eat, and it did not hardly take any time at all. And at this point you can add salt and pepper just to taste. You can taste it, and if you don't need any, you don't need to add any. I didn't add a whole lot, but I did just put a little bit in, and it's obviously up to you. I like to try to watch my salt intake. And now I like to top my soup with shredded cheddar cheese and some crushed tortilla chips, but you could also use sour cream or cilantro or salsa, anything that you would put on any Mexican dish. It's totally up to you, but that is what I put on mine. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to check out that playlist down below and get some more delicious autumn soup recipes, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I'd appreciate it so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.